Good morning, students. Today we have to learn about the salts. So, first of all, what are the salts? Salts क्या है and the types of salts. Okay. So, see here. A salt is formed when an acid is neutralized by base. Okay. Salt कब form होता है? When an acid is react with base and it gives the salt and water. Okay. This reaction is nothing but a neutralization reaction. So that's why it called as the acid is neutralized by the base. Okay. A salt contains two parts, cation and anion. Cation is on a base. Base में क्या होता है? When the base is a dissociates, there are a OH minus ions that are the cations. Okay, minus ion means cations. And acid में क्या होता है? There are the H plus ions. After dissociation of any acid, we get a H plus ion. So that's why there are anions. Okay. Now, so what are the salts? Salts are the ionic compound which are produced after the neutralization reaction between acid and base. Okay. Salts are electrically neutral. Salts क्या होते हैं? Electrically neutral. Salts are electrically neutral. And salts are electrically neutrals. There are number of salts. बहुत सारे टाइप्स के सॉल्ट होते हैं, बट द सोडियम क्लोराइड इज द मोस्ट कॉमन अमंग देम. ओके, द मोस्ट कॉमन सॉल्ट इज अ सोडियम क्लोराइड, दैट इज NaCl. मोस्ट कॉमन सॉल्ट इज अ NaCl. सोडियम क्लोराइड का यूज़ कहाँ पे होता है? सोडियम क्लोराइड इज यूज टू एनहांस द टेस्ट ऑफ फूड. कहाँ पे यूज़ करते हैं हम? टू एनहांस द टेस्ट ऑफ फूड. ओके. नाउ, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द सॉल्ट. सॉल्ट की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या होती है? द मोस्ट ऑफ द सॉल्ट्स आर क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड. बहुत सारे सॉल्ट्स क्या होते हैं? क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड्स. सॉल्ट्स में भी ट्रांसपेरेंट. ओके, सॉल्ट्स में भी ट्रांसपेरेंट भी हो सकते हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ द सॉल्ट्स आर सोल्यूबल इन वाटर. Most of the salts are soluble in water. The salt may be salty, sour, sweet, bitter. Okay. Neutral salts जो होते हैं are odorless. उनका कोई भी स्मेल नहीं होता. न्यूट्रल सॉल्ट जो होते हैं वो ऑर्डरलेस होते हैं. सॉल्ट्स कैन बी कलरलेस और कलर्ड. सॉल्ट कलरलेस भी हो सकते हैं एंड कलर्ड भी हो सकते हैं. नाउ द फैमिली ऑफ सॉल्ट. सी हियर, there are the base, that is alkali, acids, and which salts are formed. Salt कैसे form होता है? When acid is react with base, and this is a neutralization reaction, and after that reaction we'll get salt and water. So how? HCl, we take acid like HCl and base is a NaOH. हमने ये acid और base लिए. When they are react, we will get the NaCl, that is a common salt. NaCl, that is a common salt, and water. Obviously water मिलता है हमें. So here are some example of base and acid. When they react with each other, what kind of the salt we get here? What kind of the salt we get here? Here is a just list. So first, when the sodium hydroxide is treated with the hydrochloric acid, we will get the sodium chloride. Now second, potassium hydroxide when react with the hydrochloric acid, we will get the potassium chloride. Okay. Now sodium hydroxide when react with the sulfuric acid, we will get the sodium sulfate. Okay. Potassium hydroxide when react with sulfuric acid, again we will get the potassium sulfate. Calcium hydroxide when react with nitric acid, we will get the calcium nitrate. Okay. Now ammonia solution when react with nitric acid, we will get the ammonium nitrate. Here are some examples now. So salt, there are three types of salts: neutral salt, acidic salts and basic salt. तो कब हम neutral salt बोलेंगे, कब हम acidic salt बोलेंगे एंड कब basic salt बोलेंगे? When the strong base and strong acid react with each other. कब? जब strong base and strong acid with react with each other, then the salt is produced, it is a neutral salt. जब strong acid, see first of all, स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड प्लस स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस जब रिएक्ट होंगे, वी विल गेट अ न्यूट्रल salt, we will get a neutral salt. Okay, but when the strong acid and weak base react with each other, then we will get a acidic salt, हमें मिलेगा acidic salt. When the strong base plus strong weak acid, strong base and weak acid react होगा, तो we will get a strong basic salt, we will get a basic salt. See once again, strong base plus weak acid जब react होगा, we will get a basic salt. Okay, now let's move. See here, this is a neutral salt. So neutral salt, what are the neutral salt? Salt produced because of the reaction between strong acid and strong base. जब strong acid and strong base react होगे, then we will get a neutral salt. pH का क्या होगी उसकी? pH is a 7. Okay, now example लेंगे हम. Sodium chloride when react with the the examples are sodium chloride. This is an example for neutral salt. Sodium chloride, sodium sulfate and potassium chloride. These are the examples for neutral salt. So okay, how this is a sodium chloride is formed? Here is a reaction. When sodium hydroxide is treated with the hydrochloric acid, both are strong. This is a strong base and this is strong acid. Both are react with each other. We will get the neutral salt. Neutral salt कौन सा we will get? It is a NaCl. We will get the neutral salt. It is a NaCl. Okay. Now let's move to acidic salt. Here is a acidic salt. Okay, acidic salt क्या होता है? When salt is formed after the reaction between the strong acid and weak base. See, strong acid when react with weak base, we will get the acidic salt. Okay, and pH range क्या होगी उसकी? Lower than 7. 7 से कम range होगी pH की. Now see the examples. Ammonium hydroxide. Okay, this is a weak base. React with the HCl, that is a hydrochloric acid, it is a strong acid. जब react होगा तो क्या मिलेगा हमें? The salt which is formed is a acidic salt मिलेगा, which is a ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride ये क्या है? Acidic salt है. Okay, now let's move to basic salt. So what are the basic salts? Here is also same. When the strong base is react with the weak acid, the reaction takes place between them and the basic salt we will get. Okay, here is a carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is a strong base. Carbonic acid क्या होता है? Strong base होता है. Sorry, this is a ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide ये है strong base. Ammonium hydroxide it is a strong base and carbonic acid is a weak acid. ये weak acid है. When both are react with each other, we will get the sodium carbonate. जो sodium carbonate होता है वो है basic salt. वो है basic salt. Okay, now we will move to the common salts. So common salts, which kind of the common salt we have to learn? Now we learned that the salt, how the salt are formed. Okay, now up to this, how the salt is formed we know. So combination of the hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide, HCl and NaOH के combination में हमें क्या मिलता है? NaCl, that is it is a common salt मिलता है. Okay, see once again, sea water contains many salts. Sea water में भी हमें many salts मिलेंगे dissolved in it. Some salts are brown salts. But why these are brown salt? Why these are brown salt? Because of it carries the impurities. Why these are brown salt? It carries the impurity. But by removing this impurity, we can get the pure salt, that is the NaCl. And where we use this NaCl, we use this NaCl to enhance the taste of food. Okay, to enhance the taste of food in our daily life. Now We heard, everybody heard that this Mahatma Gandhi's Dandi Yatra. Mahatma Gandhi's Dandi Yatra, everybody heard. Okay, now here is a sodium chloride, that is a NaCl, which is a symbol for the struggle of freedom, which is used for the symbol for struggle of our freedom. Okay, now some common salts. Which are these common salt are there? Sodium hydroxide. Which are the common salts are there? Sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH. Okay, baking soda, washing soda and bleaching powder. In next class we have to discuss about these salts, like which salts? Baking soda, washing soda, bleaching powder. Okay, and also the uses of this salt and how the sodium hydroxide is prepared and what are the uses for sodium hydroxide. Okay, in next class we have to discuss this. So up to this we have to stop here.